welcome to PwC. Okay, so this floor is what we call the business center. Here on this floor, meetings are generally held, okay, with either external clients or within internally in the team itself. But once you enter our floor, this is where you'll find our receptionist area. Okay, hi Ka, hi. Okay, and onto my right, we actually have an interactive digital wall as well. Okay, so as I click on any of these tabs here, it will show me information about PwC. Okay, what's our purpose? On top of that, what's currently being posted in our Facebook or even Twitter, or even some of the videos or photos that we have as well. Okay, so these are what the interactive walls do. Okay, now let's move further into the business center. Okay, and see what's in store for us. Okay, now of course, onto my left is just an area where we have our awards to be kept at. Okay, and one of them, of course, our famous ones and our most popular one, the Graduate Employer of the Year. Okay, now let's move further into the business center. Okay, so onto my left, we actually have phone booth where generally if you're in a meeting and you need to take a phone call, that's where the phone booth comes in and you're able to use that for phone calls. Now, and alongside with that now, you will just find a lot of meeting rooms. Let's take a peek at one of them. Okay. So as you can see, this is generally how a meeting room looks like here at PwC. This room here actually has teleconferences services as well, where we are able to teleconference with our colleagues across the other network as well. Okay, so yeah, this pretty much serves what our meeting room looks like here at PwC. Welcome to our old berry cafeteria here at PwC. Oh, hi Lisa. Buying some snacks? Yes, okay, great. Now you see at PwC itself now at our cafeteria, we have all sorts of items that's available here. If you look at the menu, we have coffee, tea, juice, whatever you name it, we have it. Okay. Now onto my left, we actually have a very interesting program here that we cater to all our staff within PwC. Now it's called Lunch with Stranger. It's held generally every Thursday from 12 to 1:30 right here at this cafeteria. What we try to do now is basically bringing everyone within the organization itself now to try to have a topic to discuss on, or even to just meet with each other and try to build relationships. Okay, now let's go further in to have a look at what's our cafeteria like. Okay. So once you have actually gotten your light snacks or even your food, this is where you get to sit and eat and enjoy your lunch. Well, welcome to F15 guys. On this floor, you will find a few areas. One, which will be the collaboration space, and of course training rooms, and one of my favorite place, the cafe. Okay, but let's have a look at collaboration space first. Okay, on my left, you will be able to find vending machines where you can cater to your light snacks. Okay, and further to my right, oh, hi guys. Hi. Okay, this is actually what we call a collaboration space, where you're able to take your team here to have a short discussion if you need it. Okay, now moving on to my favorite place, let's look at the cafe. Okay. Now, my favorite place, the cafe. Okay. Oh, hi guys, enjoy your coffee? Yeah, good. Okay. Now, as you can see, we actually have a vending machine here catered to coffee, and basically Milo, white coffee, cappuccino, whichever you like it, go for it. Okay, but it's all free of charge as well. Okay. Now, moving on, we shall go to look at our training room. Oh, thanks so much, Mel. Hey, I hope you don't mind. I have my coffee on this office tour itself. Round this out. We have training rooms on my left and training rooms on my right. Okay, as you can see, generally any trainings that's going to be held here in PwC, it will all happen here on this floor itself. Now, why not we take a peek inside one of the training rooms? Okay. Wow, what a view! We actually have the view of KL, and alongside with that now partially Bangsa, while we enter this room. As you can see, in this room here, We have all the basic facilities that you would need to cater to whatever trainings that's needed to be held. Of course, your projectors and walls where you can actually put down your ideas as we work collaboratively together. Okay, so this is it, guys. This shall be the end of our office tour. Thank you so much for coming by, and I hope you enjoyed the visit. And who knows, maybe I shall see you here in PwC.